Okay, back to mixing a flour. So this is our supplement for flour. Say we're in flour. Okay, the bottle's getting a little low, so I'm gonna pour it in here so I can pick it up with my pipette. Mag sulfur's a lot less concentrated than Flora Nectar is anyway, than CalMag. So you have to use quite a bit more to hit that 400 ppms. CalMag, I think this is like 25, 30 ppm per ml per gallon, somewhere around that. Sweet has more mag. It's more concentrated, so that's what I'm gonna be switching to, because of how much, how many plants I grow and how often I use it. So gallon RO water. Here, we'll even test it, so it's 0 ppm. Don't want anybody to think I'm pulling something funny. Fucking people can be so fucking ridiculous. Okay, 5 ml. Like I said, we gotta use a lot more, so 10, that's probably about 300 ppm. Here, we'll check it real quick. Flora Nectar does drop the pH a little bit. See, that's not even, it's like 150, 200, so what, 20 ppm per mil or some shit. Okay. Yeah, this is exactly why I'm going to sweet, because I thought it was more concentrated than that. And I'm not gonna use fucking 30 mils to every gallon of water. I mean, I mix 5-gallon fucking pails. Got a fucking 230-gallon fucking 60-gallon reses. I'm not gonna do that. I will tell you, don't pre-mix your nutrients. Silica, potassium silicate. If you've got any of that specialty silica, like this, it's like amorphous silicate or something, some shit like that. It's a different kind of silica where you only add like 0.5 a gallon. Don't premix that. If you've got silica like this, which is potassium silicate, Power SI, Silica Blast, all that stuff that's cheap, available everywhere, you can mix that in CalMag. That's what I do in one res. Then another res is just water, so I don't have to fire up the RO all the time. It's just easier to fill up the res, leave it, fire up the RO once a week, and top it off. And that's it. Okay, so we added 20 mils. Yeah, see, that's not concentrated at all. Fuck, I should have just used my fucking thing over there. That fucking measures 10 teaspoons. Could have just fucking added 30 mils. 1 fucking gallon of water. This is ridiculous. I thought I had it marked for 20 ppm per gal, but 25, something like that. But Okay. See, 25 mils to hit 300 ppm. That's crazy. So, let me turn the page. And I'll put the rest of this shit back in. Veg light just shut down. Okay, rinse that out. I gotta clean this fucking shit up. Okay, so turn my page. So we did 25 mils of a 001. So 25. I like to write it down. 001. Especially when I'm doing something new, because you know, you think you're gonna remember, you never do. Just get used to writing shit down anytime you're trying something you haven't tried before. That's how you're gonna get better. You improve. I can give you a basic veg formula, a basic flour. I mean, a basic flour profile is 20% N, 40% P, 40% K. That's the basic flour. The plant absorbs, like, I think it's 85% of the nitrogen it needs in veg for its life. So it still needs some nitrogen in flour, but not much. Okay, now we will do were we gonna fuck it, I'm already doing it. So there's 5 mil. Let's see what we're at. $400 ppm? I think not. Okay, so 10 mils of that. And then, just to add a quick twist to it, we'll even add a PK. And I don't give a shit who's PK. A PK is a PK. We'll do Athena's PK. Yeah, just because. I mean, I could do one of the Fox Farm powders, I guess. Maybe I will. I don't use those too much. Fuck it. Athena's here. Okay. Then we'll do five mils of a 045. Let me sit you guys down for a sec. Put this back. Okay, so I'm not gonna do much editing on this because, well, I'm not a fucking video editor. Tiger Bloom, and then 5 ml PK, which is a 0.45. So 2.5 times that, so that's gonna be 2.5. So fluoronectar will be 0, 0, 2.5, because we did 2.5 times what we did the Tiger Bloom. And then we'll do the Tiger Bloom, which is our baseline. We did them in order because our fluoronectar's our supplement. That's our nutrient. The PKs are additive. Wanted to make sure you guys heard that. Now we did half as much PK as we did the Tiger Bloom, so we'll cut our numbers in half. So we're at a 0 to 2.5. So total 9, 10, 2. Gee, that looks pretty fucking close. 2, 10, 9. 20% and that's pretty close. You could probably add, I wouldn't even add it. I would just run that. That's close enough to a flower profile. Let's check our ppm so we can do the math again. Call it 650. Not gonna fuck around all day. 650 divided by 21.